Good morning, everyone. It's Charlie Jordan, and I just woke up, and I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready in the morning. First thing we're gonna start with is my skincare routine. You guys know, if you pay attention to any of my social media pages, I'm religiously loyal to Study It to Car. I still have mascara and stuff on, so I'm gonna go wash my face, and I'll be right back. This is me with literally no makeup on. We're gonna start with the Detox Daily Moisturizer. And then I go in with the Organic Omega Boost Oil. So, as far as the pre-skincare routine, that's pretty much it. I don't like to put too many products on my skin because otherwise it'll just freak out. Starting with foundation, Neutrogena, Hydro Boost, Hydrating Tint. I just kind of put that everywhere. And then I go in with the Hourglass. It's like a thicker concealer, and just do the under eyes, my chin right here, and then some of the spots that have really bad acne. Nothing wrong with it, just I have to take pictures every day. And do not smear the makeup around your face. You want to just pat it in. Little taps, 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 and blend it all together. This is a trick, I don't remember where I learned it, but just do like one up like this, like over your eyeball, so the makeup actually goes underneath your eyes. Blend it out on your neck and your jaw. You don't want it to look all sorts crazy. Sometimes I'll go in one more time just on these little areas. And I like to use my finger when I'm doing specific areas because sometimes I feel like the brush like picks up the product. These are world-class secrets right here. You know how long it took me to figure this out? Years of taking pictures and like looking at my makeup and being like, who the fuck let me do that? And then fixing it. So I used to use powder, setting powder, but I just found that it dried out my skin a lot because I already kind of have dry skin. This is like an eyeshadow that is the exact same color as my setting powder. It's from Tarte. I'll just lock in those little spots. Now that I've covered the areas, I always do eyebrows next. Get your angled brush, eyeshadow that matches your eyebrows. Just trace your natural shape. I used to overfill my brows a lot. People would make fun of me all the time. I think the internet really just like brought to light all the makeup errors I was making because obviously people see it all the time. I also really like having like the model like bushy brow. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. CoverGirl, Natural Lash, Clear Mascara. I found this works really well. Brush the hairs up lightly from the bottom of the eyebrow. And I do this because it also just helps the color stay on longer. Sometimes I brush a little too much, so I'll go back in with the color. Add it in. And then we're gonna go underneath our brow with concealer. Put a little bit on my hand. Grab a brush. I think it's really important that all the makeup goes like this way, you know? You want your face to look lifted. So doing this gives that effect. Moving on to eyeshadow. I don't like doing anything too crazy for my eyeshadow. I go in here and just grab their light color, do the base. It's literally the same color as my skin. I think it's super important, whatever color you do put on your eyeballs should complement your eye color. So I have hazel eyes, so I like to use gold because it brings out the brown and the greens in my eyes. And I just go in my crease. I go in with a smaller brush, same color, and I will just drag it on my under lash line. Sometimes, I don't know why, I just think pink like blush makes your face look more alive. So I'll grab some blush and put it in with the eyeshadow that I just put on. Now that we have the eyeshadow on, eyeliner, super important, the brush that you use, because it affects the shape of it so much. Using liquid eyeliners, this is the Hyper Easy Maybelline New York. There's not really like a secret, you just have to like not mess it up. Because you kind of have just one try. I don't like to go all the way across my lash line because I feel like it looks really dark. So I just start in the middle. Boom, don't think about it too much. Because we're gonna put mascara on. I like to do 2 coats. First coat is just for the end of your eyelashes. Don't coat all of them because they're gonna get really heavy and they're gonna get weighed down. I don't like to curl my eyelashes either, so I just try to do this all natural. First coat, done. While we wait for that to dry, we're gonna go in and do the face stuff. I've been using this since I was a child. Tip from my friend Cara Jewel that I learned with bronzer, I was just going up and down, but remember when we talked about doing things that accentuate your face? Instead of just straight down, you're gonna wanna cup your cheek. Contouring, very important. I always contour my nose just a little bit. Make sure it's very straight. Blend it out a little bit. Wait, do a little bit of this. Look at that. This is the blush I use. It's Hourglass. I like to use a fan brush for my blush actually, which most people don't do. Highlight, you have to put it on last, otherwise shit covers it up. This is like the coolest little highlighter I've ever gotten. I don't even know how I got it, but I just use my fingers, put some on the end of your nose, and then I get a really small brush and put some on the inner corners of my eyes. We are on to the second coat for the eyelashes. I kind of like to go over all the eyelash now, coat it, and then focus on the ends again. Now go into the lower lash line, but don't like coat it like crazy. I just like to do a little light, just like covering what's already there. Easy. Last but not least is the lips. Gotta get a lip liner that matches your lip color, maybe a little bit more pink. This is NYX Lip Peekaboo. And then after that, this is the Tarte lipstick. And I don't really like lipstick that much because it's always really heavy, but this is like a lip gloss mixed with a lipstick. And then I always go, what the? And then I always go. Okay, I always put it right here, sorry. This is the setting spray that I use. It's the VIEL Soft Focus Setting Spray from Hourglass. All right guys, that is it for the makeup. Super easy, really simple. I'm just gonna redo my hair a little bit more sleek and then we're gonna jump into the outfit and start the day. I just got sent this super cute sweater. It's like a crop sweater from Revolve. So I think I'm gonna wear this with these satin shorts that are incredible. These are from LPA and this is Michael Costello. Both incredible designers and I feel grateful every morning when I get to put on their clothes. So yeah, let's get dressed. Alright guys, today I'm on my way to go see my friend Ariana Hicks perform in Malibu. If you haven't checked out her music, it's amazing. I'm gonna go drive up to Malibu right now, but I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you next time. What? I'm about to beat these boys' booties. Look at, you see this? They went and jumped in the ocean with their tuxes on and these have been sitting here for 2 weeks. I took a picture of it and sent it in the group message and nobody's cleaned it up.
Anything to say? Defend yourself?
My roommates are pigs and we live in a frat house.
Okay. I appreciate the honesty.